Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename a Google Sheet using the latest 2026 method. Whether you've just created a new spreadsheet or want to organize your files more efficiently, renaming a Google Sheet is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop and go to *sheets, Google.com*. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Next, open the Google Sheet that you want to rename. Once the spreadsheet is open, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see the current name of your spreadsheet, which may say Untitled Spreadsheet * if it's a new file. Simply click on the spreadsheet name. The text will become editable. Type the new name you want for your Google Sheet, such as *monthly budget *, sales report *, or any name that helps you identify the file easily. After typing the new name, press *enter* on your keyboard or simply click anywhere outside the title box. Google Sheets will automatically save the new name instantly. There's no need to click a Save button. You can also rename a Google Sheet directly from the Google Sheets home page or from Google Drive. Find the spreadsheet, right-click on it, select *rename*, type the new name, and press *enter***. The file name will update immediately. Using clear and descriptive names makes it much easier to find your spreadsheets later, especially if you have many files stored in your Google Drive. And that's it. That's how you rename a Google Sheet in 2026. It's a simple process that only takes a few seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.